Now, Arvind Kejriwal has also sought an appointment with the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He will invite him for the swearing-in at the Ramlila grounds this coming Saturday. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party will also be inviting other Union Cabinet and all MPs to the swearing-in ceremony. There will also be a roadshow ahead of the swearing-in ceremony at the venue where Arvind Kejriwal will be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Delhi for the second time. Now, this will be at the same public park where he was sworn in a year ago. Now, the Prime Minister, though, has a pre-scheduled day-long trip to Maharashtra on 14th and was to share the stage with Sharad Pawar in Baramati. So the big question is, will Prime Minister Modi cancel his trip and attend the swearing-in of Arvind Kejriwal, the man who decimated the BJP? Right, let's go across to Sonal Mehrotra for more. Sonal, one meeting down, we still have two more meetings to go. Arvind Kejriwal really putting it out there that he means business this time round, getting started with all those crucial meetings.
What I'm hearing latest is the fact that, Kulsum, this meeting with the UD minister was not sought by Arvind Kejriwal, but in fact he was invited by the UD minister. So that's quite an interesting turn of events there. Perhaps the central government also realizing that at 67 seats, they will, have to cooperate, with this, really extensive mandate which has been given to the Aam Aadmi Party. They will have to cooperate with Delhi, with the national capital government as well. So, interesting times. Well, just a month back, in fact, not just a month, just a few days back before the campaigning ended, there was bitter war of words between the centre and the Aam Aadmi Party. You had the top, cabinet ministers of the BJP come out and hurl accusations at Arvind Kejriwal. There was mudslinging, there were personal attacks. We saw massive advertisements in the newspapers against Arvind Kejriwal by the BJP. All that in a way, turned against BJP as, they were left with just 3 seats. So all, in the backdrop of all of that, it seems like there's a patch-up time between BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party as Arvind Kejriwal and Manoj Sisodia have gone in, to honour the request of the UT minister. They have sought an appointment with Rajnath Singh as well. That we're expecting is going to happen in a more informal setup as he meets Rajnath Singh at his home and will be discussing several issues that of statehood as well, as you heard Manish Sisodia talk as well. Remember, another top priority for Aam Aadmi Party has been that of women's security, and they will be looking at that as well as Delhi police, not under the Delhi government, as of now. So all these issues are being looked at. We understand the meeting with the president is one of a, courtesy call, also something to follow protocol, as yesterday he met the Lieutenant Governor, wherein a letter of support has been given, which will reach the, which will reach the president today. He's also expected to invite this entire, string of ministers that he's meeting today for his swearing in on 14th. What we're also hearing is that, Kiran Bedi will be invited, and all eyes will be on whether or not Sheila Dikshit will be next in line to be called in for the swearing in ceremony. Anna Hazare, also another name expected to feature and, being given an invite by the Aam Aadmi Party.